This 2024 Newmar Bay Star Sport 2920 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Cervo Decor, Amarett Maple Glazed Cabinetry-MF interior, sleeps 4, leveling jacks, TV, awning, LP detector, TV antenna, refrigerator, external shower, oven, self-contained, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star Sport 2920 is built on AF 5320 lb chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.